Hey students, welcome to the Leaf Box Mini Hydroponic Education Kit. My name is Julie and I'm so excited to be growing with you this season. Together, we are going to learn a lot of stuff. We're going to learn all about how to plant a small hydroponic garden, how to care for it, the science behind hydroponics, how to harvest the herbs and vegetables that we grow, and how to use our harvest in delicious recipes. So, not only are we going to become gardeners this season, we are also going to become scientists and even chefs. As we grow, we will learn about germination, fun topics like photosynthesis, nutrients, the plant life cycle, and more. This course is structured to have 2 or more lessons per week over the course of 8 weeks. We have printable handouts and optional quizzes for our students to engage and to learn deeper every single week about hydroponics. Hydroponic gardening is really cool because unlike traditional soil gardening, our plants will grow without any soil at all. The plants will get everything that they need from the water, lights, and nutrients that we give them. Don't worry, we'll learn all about how hydroponics work in a future video. In this kit, you have been given the pieces of a hydroponic growing device, including a water tank and lights, 2 bottles of nutrients to give your plants what they need to grow, and 12 soil pods, baskets, and grow covers. We have also been given 6 seed packets which include basil, thyme, oregano, spinach, parsley, and mint. Over the next few weeks, we will be learning how to set up our hydroponic system, how to plant our seeds, how seeds germinate to become plants, how to care for our growing plants, and how to harvest them. Be sure to watch all of your video lessons every single week as you grow to make sure that your hydroponic garden gets everything it needs and you don't miss out on any important science lessons. Hydroponic gardening is a great opportunity to grow plants indoors and to learn about science in a practical way. All right, students, I'm so excited to grow with you this season. Let's watch the next video. Bye!